Those two are going to be the pockets, the mortises for the head. It's going to be a 30mm tenon on here with another head. And still will go on there. I'm going to give those ones a haunch. Should have done on the window, but be right. So that's this one. And then there's another head on top. These outside corners I'm going to give a haunch to. So I need to alter my jig. Made a 9mm jig because that one was the wrong size. That's the one I use for the window. And these timbers are just slightly different. Only by a couple of mil though. So I've got my head, one that's going on top of here, and my sill threshold. Could have cut these square, but I didn't bother. On the drawing I've got 1175 overall, so I came in 25mm there. So 25 and the 1175 gives me 1200. So that's there. Fraction short, don't matter, as long as they're both the same. And I've got an offcut of this, or that, whatever it is. And then I just mark that on there and squared it over. I'll lay them flat, square it the other way, set my jig to that. I've already got a pencil mark there, so I'm going to put, let's do that. No, that's that side, the inside. I've already marked this one, and the fence is marked. So I've always been working to one edge. So I've just squared over those marks. Well, just the inside one. That's the only one I'm interested in. I've got my front edge there, look. I'm just marking it on there. Like that. So now I'll sit my jig on. This is an old rag that I use for waxing the machines and whatever. And I rubbed that over there, and the router slides a lot easier on there then. sometimes on little jobs like this, so it's a bit too much. You got to really hold on to it to stop it sliding around. So they're all cut. I can start cutting tenons. These long ones, probably on the short ones. Set up a stop again and just make the initial cut, flip it over, make the initial cut. They should line up exactly then. I'll cut these bits off by hand with chisel. Bit of glue and some screws that I'll pull together. So that's the head, and this other piece sits on there. Double header. Right, just squeeze it in. Get some glue on it, get some screws in. So that's screwed together now. Those joints came together quite well. I've measured it, it's pretty square. Can't really get in for clamps, but I can pull it that little bit anyway when I fit it.